Hey guys, what's up? We got a mystery box here. I can't quite figure out how to solve it. What do you think? There's a hole. Oh, look at what? Look at all this. Look at all this. So that just all fell out. Frick. Oh, I broke that. Alright guys, what's up? We're here with the mystery box and God. Dang it. Where did that other piece go? Oh, it's right here. We're here with the mystery box and here's our mystery box. Fold this over to get your prize. Come here. Got it. So now I got my prize. Which is, it can be anything. I just put that there to resemble money. Here's how you build it. You start off by putting just some blocks here. Make sure you have a piece like this, make sure this is a block high. Make sure you put these tiles on it, these plates, and I put this here, or you can put a plate up underneath it. You don't need to put this here. I just put that there, and then you can put a 3x3, which one of these on top. Take a plate, put it on top. You take, put a tour right there, put a flat, and a tour. This goes over here, your prize. So, and here's how you reset it. You can put a tile right here. So, place this here. Take this, 2 studs on the bottom, round studs. You take this goes here. Wait, let me just put the top on. Frick, sorry. My freaking camera messed up. Okay, put the plate on top. This goes here. This goes right in that little slot. Dadgummit. And you squish it tight. This goes right in here on that tile. It's not wanting to go in.
Hey, buddy.
Shh, be quiet. Dadgummit. Okay, so what is going on? This goes in here. Oh. Make sure your prize is all the way out or else it will not work.
Oh, come on. I was supposed to say, you didn't even have it in here, man. It's right here. I realize that now.
And there you go. There's your puzzle box. You do not have to have anything over here but just a regular plate because this is the only side that you're going to be doing the mystery on. Thank you guys for watching.